We are in Taif,
Look at Daddy Maya.
and this is the mountain view of the Taif mountain ranges. This is our group. That's the highway already, and that's the other side. There. Very nice.
Lalim mo.
Nay, anong masasabi mo sa Taif Mountain Range?
Nako, wala akong masabi sa kagandahan.
Sa kagandahan. Yeah. Malamig, no?
Tsaka masarap.
Masarap. Maganda
Gusto
ang
ko naman
Taif.
dito kaysa doon sa lugar natin doon.
Mas maganda raw dito kaysa sa Riyadh.
Pero ba't walang Pinoy dito?
Pang Pinoy dito.
Walang trabaho dito ano? Mga Pinoy.
Para kasing sa atin eh. Yan yung highway. Ikaw, Mon, what can you say about Taif?
Beautiful.
Magnificent.
Magnificent.
Ay, nakinakarating dito?
Opo.
Mountainous Taif.
This is the downhill part of the mountain ranges. Medyo, what time is it na?
Sana kung maaraw-araw
It's 7
yan.
o'clock in the evening.